Good day, grade 9s. Welcome to the channel.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about accounting.
Do you struggle with remembering which accounts increase or decrease on the debit and credit side? Well, this video is for you.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's go.
Lethabo, what is the best method to use?
The best method to use is the DCADELER method. The DCADELER method is a method that is in a table, and in that table are all the accounts that increase in either the debit or credit side. As you can see, there are two columns. Debit is always on the left-hand side and credit is always on the right-hand side. Assets, drawings, and expenses always increase on the debit side, while liabilities, equities, and revenue always increase on the credit side.
Wow, this method is so much easier because instead of remembering the full words, we can use the acronym DCADELER.
Well, this brings us to the end of our video.
We hope this lesson helped you,
and we hope to see you in the next one.